Hello. Today I would like to talk about how to make money online as a teacher. To make money online, you will need content. What is content? In the online world, anything you post, text, photo, video, is considered content. Original content in online economy is the most valuable thing. Good news is you already have a lot of content as a teacher. If you are a teacher, you already have syllabi and lesson plans for the courses that you have taught or are teaching. This is your content. It doesn't matter at all what your content is about. Take the lesson plan for the next week and go over what you are going to teach. Now imagine you must explain your lesson plan to your friend who has no idea what you do. Write down the way you will explain your lesson plan to him. You want to keep it short because you don't want to bore your friend to death. Don't try to perfect it. Overly perfected content doesn't do well online because it lacks spontaneity. Whatever you have written is your post. Now go to Unsplash or Canva and create a graphic to go along with your post. Make an account on Twitter and LinkedIn. Put up a professional-looking headshot. Write a bio. Take the text and the graphic and post them on both Twitter and LinkedIn. After you have delivered the lesson, take 10 minutes and write down how it went and the questions your students asked. Prepare a short post and add it under your original post on both Twitter and LinkedIn. Do this with every lecture and lesson plan you have for the whole semester. Within a few weeks, you will see people commenting on your posts. Respond to as many positive comments as possible. If someone likes your post, say thank you. Learn to accept compliments. If someone posts a negative, snarky comment, block them immediately. If you respond to negative comments, you will lose your valuable time and, hence, money. Keep posting for a whole semester and then another. After a year or so, you will have gained a significant number of followers on both Twitter and LinkedIn. During this time, some of your posts would have been well received than others. Some posts may have even gone viral. Take your 10-15 best posts and convert them into a workshop of 2-3 hours. Go to Eventbrite and create an event for your workshop. Pick a ticket price. Start promoting your workshop on both Twitter and LinkedIn. The workshop will start bringing money and feedback. Incorporate the feedback and create a short online course on the topic. Pick a price for your course. Create an account on Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy and put up your course there. Put the link to your course in your bio on Twitter and LinkedIn. Under every new post that you write, plug in your course so more and more people can see it. Promote yourself daily because if you don't, no one else will. And that's how you make money online as a teacher.